Hello, my name is Scott Ashlock, and I'll be your speaker for today's discussion about security modernization at PACCAR and our move to Cloud SIEM. For today's topic, I'll give a brief introduction of myself and introduce you to PACCAR and its security program. Our modernization journey started a few years ago, and it continues to evolve. I look forward to sharing our efforts and our transition to Cloud SIEM. So who am I? Professionally, I've worked in IT for over 30 years in various different roles, and have experience in several industries such as travel, healthcare, retail, finance, and manufacturing. 5 years ago, I was encouraged to move into security, so I took the leap, and it's been an incredible journey so far, and a journey that keeps me learning every day. I'm currently the North America Security Operations Manager at PACCAR, and have been there for 3 years. I'm currently enrolled in my MBA program with a focus on international business at Washington State University. Let's talk about our corporate overview. PACCAR is a global technology leader in design, manufacture, and customer support of premium light, medium, and heavy trucks under the Kenworth, Peterbilt, and DAF nameplate. PACCAR also designs and manufactures advanced diesel engines, provides financial services, information technology, and distributes truck parts related to its principal business. Kenworth Truck Company builds premium commercial vehicles for sale in the US, Canada, Mexico, and Australia, exporting throughout the world. Peterbilt Motors also designs, manufactures, and distributes premium commercial vehicles in the US and Canada. DAF Trucks manufactures trucks in the Netherlands, Belgium, Brazil, and the United Kingdom. And they're for sale throughout the Western and Eastern Europe, and are exported to Asia, Africa, and North and South America. PACCAR delivers its products and services to customers worldwide through an extensive dealer network of over 2,200 locations. PACCAR Global sells the company products in more than 100 countries and is expanding its dealer network into Asia and throughout the rest of the world. Approximately half of PACCAR's revenues and profits are generated outside of the USA. So PACCAR is a Fortune 500 company, and our 2020 revenues were $18.73 billion. And that came with an earning of $1.3 billion. Security overview. So PACCAR's security team, I'd like to introduce you to that. So the security team at PACCAR is led by our Chief Information Security Officer, Chuck Markarian. He's hands down the best leader I've ever worked with. Chuck supports 3 overarching teams: the Global Security Operations Team, the Global Information Security Team, and our Vehicle Security Team. The Global Security Operations Team is made up of 3 teams total: a Security Operations Team in North America and one in Europe. Additionally, we have an Identity and Access Management Team in North America. Combine those 3 teams, it's approximately 25 members. The Global Information Team is comprised of 2 teams, one in North America and one in Europe. It has a total of 10 team members. So both our Global Security Operations Team and our Global Information Security Team, we work very closely together. We also have a team, a Vehicle Security Team of 2 people, and it's based in our Eindhoven location in Europe. So PACCAR's journey. PACCAR's security program has grown significantly over the past few years. Some of the key areas of focus is program maturity, vendor and tool consolidation, and ensuring that we have the necessary capabilities in place to protect PACCAR and our customer data. One of our key pain points was the number of vendors that we interact with and the number of tools that we use and support. We found several areas of overlap that just didn't make sense. After a detailed analysis, we set our targets on consolidating to 3 core vendors. From a capability standpoint, we were able to reduce our tooling without reducing our ability to secure PACCAR's environment. And it helped us to save money and increase our resource availability for our team. Here's some of the areas that we focused on. A web proxy replacement. This led to a reduction in vendor and tooling reduction. It also provided cost savings and increased resource availability. Identity and access management. This helped reduce the number of IAM tools that we used and is bringing us to a standard global process and tooling. This has really helped to increase our security posture. Enhanced detection and response. Again, another initiative that reduced vendor and tooling and provided cost savings with an increased resource availability. Passwordless pilot. The introduction of Windows Hello for Business has been an exciting endeavor. This didn't really fall into the overarching plan to reduce vendor or tooling, but it helped mature our program, increase our security posture, and provide options for our internal customers. Then finally, the Security, Incident, and Event Management Initiative. This has helped us to consolidate vendors and implement some much needed improvements. It helped to save money and increase resource availability. In 2015, several years before I started PACCAR, the Security Operations Group implemented a SIEM product. In addition to the SIEM, we onboarded their managed services, so their managed security operations center. Over the next 6 years, we discovered several pain points that couldn't be overcome. And I'm happy to announce that we are now using Sumo Logic's Cloud SIEM Enterprise and have partnered with another vendor to provide the managed security operations center. So what made us want to move from our existing SIEM? As I stated earlier, we have an established plan to mature our security program and are targeting vendor and tool consolidation, process improvement, and ensuring that we have the necessary capabilities in place. One of our biggest pain points with the SIEM was the on-prem environment. We are nearing the end of our contract and looking at significant costs in replacing aging infrastructure. Additionally, we were using an entire FTE in both our North America and European locations just to maintain the environment. Another pain point we experienced was the relationship. So when it comes to vendor relationships, it's very important to build a partnership, not just a vendor. We want to make sure that we have partners. Our relationship with this vendor did not put them in the partner category. So it was time to look at other SIEM products. We conducted an extensive proof of concept process, and we looked at 7 different vendors, which included our existing SIEM's cloud solution. The team conducting the proof of concept enjoyed the process of evaluating several tools and interacting with potential partners. We had one person completely focused on maintaining our existing SIEM, while the remaining team, which was three team members, they conducted the proof of concept. From an operational standpoint, it was really difficult to support and stay on top of day to day. So when alerts were triggered and the team had to jump in and fix something or investigate something, the POC team would quickly investigate and extinguish the situation. I will always refer to this team as the stop, drop, and roll team. When we finished the POC process, one product stood out above the rest. So one product stood out above the rest, and that was Sumo Logic. Why did we choose Sumo Logic? We had an established partnership with them. Notice that I said partnership. Everyone we worked with at Sumo Logic has been incredible. We currently use Sumo Logic for log management, and it's proved to be a superior product that we are extremely happy with. Choosing Sumo Logic also aligned with our goal to reduce vendors. It was a cloud-native solution, and it integrated well with our established log management system, Sumo Logic. Choosing Cloud SIEM Enterprise also drove value. It's a great product that leveraged our existing environment and integrated well with everything. And the implementation was very quick and painless. And the price point was where we actually needed it. So additionally, our customer experience was excellent, and that goes back to the partnership. We were able to check every box related to our use cases. It hit all of our needs, wants, and desires. Hands down, it was pretty much a no-brainer. But one of the things that really set Sumo Logic out above the rest was the speed at which we could search. It was incredible. And Sumo Logic beat out every other vendor by a large margin. The speed alone will help us increase the efficiency of investigations and save countless resource hours. So our strategic partnership. Sumo Logic has been an excellent partner. As I stated earlier, excellent customer service. All of our interactions have been incredible. Lots of communication. They are an excellent partner. With that partnership, they drove trust in our environment. We knew that when we talked to them, any recommendations they might have, we trusted those recommendations. We also trusted what they had to say on continual improvement with our environment. And that's very important. And again, the value. This product drives value. Back to the price, the partnership, the integration, everything that it provided. They also provided us recommendations for our managed SOC. They provided reasons why and everything that the managed SOCs would cover. And this was really a great jumping off point for us. We were able to take that and spend targeted time, and we're able to come up with a very fast and efficient selection model on our SOC. So what are our next steps? PACCAR security operations team is going to use Sumo Logic products to mature our capabilities. And this will come in play with the SIEM product and also our log management product. From an enterprise standpoint, we're going to look to Sumo Logic to help us with our digital transformation and really look at some enterprise solutions. One of the first things we'll probably look at very quick is the logging solution. Currently, the solution resides in our security group. We'd like to extend this out to the enterprise and really make Sumo Logic our enterprise logging solution. We're going to do some research with the continuous intelligence product that's offered. There's a lot of work here that we need to do with our cloud security monitoring and analytics. We're going to look at their audit and compliance. So some of the three of the takeaways that I have taken from preparing for this presentation as to what I see from Sumo Logic. You know, it's the great partnership, everything I've discussed. And really what it comes down to is building a strategic partner. We have been able to build a strategic partner with Sumo Logic. I foresee the future continue this way. The past has been excellent with Sumo. The second from that is trust. It's important to have trust. We have that trust in Sumo Logic. We respect the recommendations that our Sumo team provides us. And then again, value. The Sumo Logic products has helped us drive value. You've helped us consolidate tools and improve our process. Thank you. I appreciate your time today.